Hi everyone. A very good evening. Just waiting for few more to join it, and we are starting with today's agenda. Okay, just a minute. I guess some issue or error is there. Okay, hi. A very good evening. I hope I'm audible perfectly, right? Can you just check it now? If my voice is audible, I hope my voice is all audible, right? Can you let me know if my voice is all audible? Okay. Good evening, Prajwal, Farhim. Okay, then let's start with it. Our agenda. Okay, so what you are gonna do it today, and what exactly it's being there. Obviously, today uh, we have the live correct. Okay, deployment as I've told you. I'm just waiting for few others to join it so that I can start with today's agenda properly. Okay, just a minute. So first of all, everyone just make an empty. I would say folder. Okay. So I'll just make an empty folder. That's gonna be my smarted ML AR. Okay, this is my folder. Okay. If I remember, if you also remember, that uh, today is the last day for the bootcamp, basically, first of all, for AI/ML only. Just stay tuned to your subscribe to this channel of Smarted on YouTube, and I'll definitely ensure that you will get a very good way of the bootcamps ahead. If you remember, yesterday I've told you to install the Cursor AI, right? An agent based AI. Okay, and it was like what? It was basically a tool resemblance to the VS Code, right? And it's free of cost. Okay, it just have the compilations of the accessing about the most powerful AI models that is just reserved into the paid subscriptions, right? But anyhow, you don't need to pay any single amount of money, right? Right. Now, overall, uh, what all the things you need to just have a look is how do you starting it. So there is an agent. Okay, there is one thing that is known as agents and all. Who are the agents? What do you mean by the agents and everything? I'll tell you entire thing representing that way, right? Okay. The fifth day was the Gradio. I'll show you the Google Collab also, where everything is being running for the day 5 also. Okay, but I'll show you this too, which is being there, right? A very core feature when you observe, you need to just check like, is it your what email ID I've written it, and is it working and all or not? That is main thing. System notification, privacy and all, it's again there. Do you want editor mode anywhere? That you can just write it, right? Now in the chat section, you can see that everything will become on a changes with respect to this, right? With respect to this. Okay, if you remember what our project was all about, or what sort of projects, okay, we were having it also is this, right? Now it just becomes, okay, as thrilling as like it's possible for you to write the codes, and just like that, okay, just like that it becomes, okay, very much easier, or very much kind of an easier and everything, okay, for you to build a website. Yep, right. So project is all about your IPL predictions, right? Okay, if I'll say that I need to make a website, okay, I just need to make the websites and everything according to my suitability, right? Okay, regarding to like, okay, what I like the best, I need to make it according to that. So how would you like it? Obviously our project is IPL match predictions, correct? If you see the banner also of this workshops entirely, okay, the boot camps and everything, you have uh, a topic that's basically there. It is IPL prediction, correct? And it makes a sense also. It's big there. Now have a look. I just wanted my cursor AI to make a website, okay, and I'll then deploy the things, okay, with this. Now I'll simply say make a website, okay, uh, as, or like I would say make a website which is being comprising of prediction, IPL winning team using AI ML, okay, but I need a front end, okay, and back end in Python which contains all the logic of what, of data importations, feature engineering, data cleaning, modeling and deployment, okay, kind of like that. So if you see, I have written like what, a simplest kind of I did not give any kind of a very technical kind of a word, okay, or in a very grammarly correct words or anything like that. No, I did not, right? It's in simple kind of languages, okay, which is being there, which we normally use to communicate with each other also. So cursor AI is not oriented with, uh, you can say, everything which looks good, right? Okay, correct. So it is, you are not writing the code, okay, you even did not write a code of even a single line. Let the cursor AI do it, right? Let the cursor AI do that. Why you are just planning to do and so things, right? Okay, why you wanted to put your output, okay, and plus input also. Let the cursor AI perform. It will give you a already kind of, I would say, a website which is being ready, okay, all kind of it, right? So I don't think so, like, okay, if someone is being performing good for you, why you need to write it everything, right? Okay, let it but just get performed, let it just apply for what it requires and so things and all. Okay, why you are being getting forward, okay, or like, okay, why you are being into the tense manner, right? So if you see this, it's been installed the Python, okay. It will ask you, okay, it will ask some of the things to you, which according to you, you just need to write it, either a virtual environment for your conda, okay, and all, okay, anything, okay, whatever you feel good, you can create it, okay. And believe me one thing, this is the one of the best thing ever you perform for anything, okay. And you do not need to write any single thing, do not need to write it, okay. And believe me, if you are just playing with this code, it's a very good kind of an enjoyment. You can see, just when single line, if you see, okay, your line, just with a single line, a lot of folders has been created. Did you create it? No. Did I create it? No. Getting my point? Who created? Cursor AI. And how it has been created? You can just check these two lines which I've just given to you. So why you wanted to get worried about, right? Okay, getting my point. What exactly you wanted to say, or like, okay, you wanted to just carry forward with the, this is happening or that is happening. Let it be. Let it be. Okay, it will give you all the requirements, it will run your project also without being you gonna see it, okay, without you are gonna tell that I need this things, okay, or I need that things and all. Let it just do it itself, okay. I'm not writing any, my hands are all up, right? Okay, I'm not writing any code. It is all the code which has been written by the AI, right? Now, where is that, uh, all the backend has been writing it, okay, data processors, py, model trainer dot py, predictors and all. From where does it has been coming? This is a heavy code, okay, you don't need to do this code. I'm just telling you that, okay, how do we make it sure, if anything which is not working for as good as we wanted to, okay, how does it looks like, right? Okay, right. So it will just tell you when the moment, okay, all the 9 to dos are gonna be getting it completed, right? So it will automatically run on the surface. Okay, now, very good. Any questions to anyone till here? Any sort of questions till now to anyone? Any sort of questions to anyone? No question. Now if I'll see this way, ML model has been created, developing the front end with the streamlet and everything. It's been there, but where it is being happening? Okay, this is the way. Okay, does it happening anywhere else also? Yes, definitely yes, right? So it's updating the plots. A very good evening, Tipali. A very good evening. Okay, and on to the same link of that file, if you see, I have provided you all of the things. Okay, over here now if you see creating your deployments and everything, it's also there. So this is the front end is also being there. This is the app.py is the front end. This is okay the back end. Okay, you even don't know how do you created it, to be honest, if I'll say, but I'll show you how to be created and all. Okay, don't worry. Hold a second. Okay, now docker compose, docker keep, okay, and all. You don't need to write it anything. Let it be only these two lines, okay, which I've just given. Okay, only these two lines with the smart net. If you are gonna follow these commands of mine, I am very sure you are never gonna be into the dilemma. Okay, never and ever. Make sure about it. Okay, it would be really good for you. Okay, now everything is good. So if you see 302 changes are being there in so and so files, okay, it has made and keep all. There would be option for you to keeping it all and all, right? Okay, the system is production ready with the proper and all. Would you like me to explain? No. If you see model performances, got it. Accuracy, got it. Precision, F1 score, ROC, everything has been got it, right? Prediction features also you got it. Okay, backend is being running onto this, it is saying, and frontend is being running onto this. But the question arises, ma'am, what if will our clients, okay, who are being there, okay, will our clients and everyone will accept this? Definitely yes. Okay, if you say so and so type of codes are being there, okay, so and so types of code, question only address like, okay ma'am, will it like, okay, our clients will say like, okay, very good, you are running it so and so way, within a few seconds, okay, you run our code, correct? They will to say yes only, right? Okay, that within few of the time, okay, you made our code, okay, and it's all running perfectly, right? The workspace links and everything, it will get it, okay, over here, right? Okay, now you have run it. If you see it, the IDs, the raw, and everything, right? I need to connect everything together, my front end and back end, and then run it on browser with working way. Okay, I've written this. Correct? It just asked me like, okay, few of the things of mine, right? Okay, it just asked me few of the things of mine, and then it just get it left, right? Okay, it just get it left. Now with that particular, open into the terminal, right? This is there, open into the terminal. What you do it is, it asks you whether it's running or not. If it is not running, it will basically correct it out, and if it is running, it will just jump to the next line. This is the other option I'm just telling you. For the day 5 we have been doing. Okay, pip install this and that. Okay, it will download it automatically without your even interference. Okay, without your interferences and everything, it will download everything. You will get this code also. You will definitely get this code, and you will definitely get uh, the code what we have done it in 4 days too. Okay, if you see this, first of all, it should be a grayish in color, then it is being getting it changed to this color. And believe me, if you learned about what is in cursor AI and all, okay, I am giving you an insurance about you're the best person on this. Okay, you're the best person, actually, I'm gonna say it on this, where you're gonna learn about everything. Okay, where you are just gonna learn everything. And if you find okay, any sort of your clients also somewhere who are really working on to, or like okay, who really want the websites in a very simplest way and all, you can use this cursor AI. You can definitely use the cursor AI. Okay, no matter what and how. Okay, let it just happen, and I'll show the output, and I'll give you the Google Collab link also, which is comprising everything. Okay, any questions? Success and all. Let it happen. Okay, now what I'm just gonna give it to you also. Okay, comprising of it. Okay, now it is just telling you, let me start front end manually and all, because of the server issue. Okay, that whenever there is any kind of a server issues and anything like that, okay, it won't work it until or unless, or gradually you wanted to just write the code. Okay, kill any existing processes. I don't have any kind of an existing processes. Okay, now what is kind of a next thing is there is Gradio. What is it? Gradio. I'll tell you about the tool of it. Gradio. Gradio is one of the tool, okay, which gives you on the spot deployment for your ML and Correct. Now it will try to begin with the spray. Okay. Have you ever used the gradio ever? Anyone? Have you ever worked with the gradio? Anyone who have? So it is going to be the heaviest kind of uh, the things, okay, which is going to be there. Okay, right? Have you? Can you write it yes or no? I have worked multiple times. Obviously, the if you just go back onto this video, okay, I'll just tell you. Let it be this is the code. Okay, import gradio as GR, df greet. Okay, hello and name of it. Okay, if I'll write it, name Anshika, Gupta, greetings like okay, intensity and all, somewhat like that. Okay, two and submit it, right? Two and submit it, right? Now what is going to happen? Right over here. Hello Anshika Gupta. From where does that hello came? A function has been created, a name is there, I have returned that return hello plus whatever the name I'm gonna enter and intensity of it. Right? I don't want an intensity to be this. Let's submit it. Intensity to be something else. So the more and more I'm gonna write it, intensity exclamatory sign is going to get it change. Okay. Just have a look onto this program, please. Just check it out. Now if you see that, just check it out. Connected to the local host, port 5000. Okay. Uh, Host is this one. User agent is this one. Send off. Okay. And every single thing front end is okay. Not ready to use it yet because of the backend has to run it. Okay. First of all, the backend is gonna run, and then only the front end is gonna run it. Okay. Front end okay, back end okay. It is automatically giving you the command like okay, front end okay, the back end is okay, right? Okay. So it is gonna run as much as particular way it should have, right? Okay. Clear? Now, in this, if you see, this is a gradio, okay? What is being happening over here is I am writing, okay? So and so kind of, I would say, the codes, okay? And what if someone else is being writing it, right? Okay, does not matter, or does not like, okay, makes a sense even, right? It will just try to get it onto the best way, okay? To get it onto like, okay, the bestest kind of the developments, right? So if you see that this is the above one was just a normal one, and this one is the double insights. If I'll write it name is morning, okay, temperature, submit. So you will get two outputs. Okay, the benefit of deployment I'm just telling you. If you say good morning, Anshika, it's 74 degrees today. So I have created a code and I have deployed it. The name I have checklisted, is it morning or not. If it is morning, it will say good morning. If it is not morning, it will not say good morning. Okay, or either it would be good evening. Okay, so it's written already. The salutation is if not or nothing, a good evening, right? Makes sense even like, okay, if it's not there, so why would I say good morning or good evening or so and so things, right? I think I'm not like, okay, I'm gonna give this elevation only. No, it has just a point would be there that it should be resembling, okay, over here. Getting my point? Getting it or not? Okay, let's just see our output. It says now it is being there and all. Simply loaded the data the same way it is being there. The endpoints, health, models, and trade. If you go back from the cursor AI, here is the website. I'll just say like, okay, check. Okay, now every single thing you're getting it. Congratulations, your IPL prediction system is now fully functionable with all of these parameters. ML pipeline, beautiful web interface, but now I wanted check the color combination and make it day and light mode. Okay, simply I'll write it. Okay, if you see this website, there is no light and dark modes. Okay, if you see this also, there is a rerun button, there is a settings button, there is a printing option, record a screencast, and clear the cache, right? Now, but unable to see. I know, like, okay, you're not able to see the color combinations and all. Display, I think not is going to be there. Okay, let it just apply the custom mode. Okay, just a minute. Okay, color combinations, let it just get it back, and then finally we're gonna run our project. The final project, I'm gonna say. And I'm just gonna give you a project also, what we were making it so far. It's all there. Every single thing is there, okay, with you. Okay, I just wanted to give you the link, share it with you. Hold a second, please. Okay, this is all of. Can we submit the project? Yes, definitely. Why not? Even why not? This project also. I'm gonna give it to you. This project, what we are just gonna make it again, the live one. This also I'm gonna give it to you. Don't worry. Let it just get it complete, and I'll gonna submit this too. Okay, I'm just waiting. Okay, to just get it complete with the color combination, and we're gonna make it. As I've promised you, you're gonna make it very beautiful on a day 5. Let it just do it once again. New styling is running and all. Okay, let's see. So it's saying that your new styling is running onto this port. Okay, but there is an issue somewhat. We will just check it out. Okay, so it says now that everything is working perfectly now. Okay, so we will just see that. Okay, I think there is one issue. Please resolve this. So you need to just have a look, okay, with this. And it is only the magic which is being happening. The above two lines I have created. I haven't drawn any other lines, to be honest, if I'll say. No other lines are being written. Okay, no other lines are being getting it written over here. Okay, no other lines. Okay, hold a second. Everyone, just give me 1 minute more. Okay, okay, got it. Okay, so let me just figure it out. Okay, here we go with all the things. Have a look onto your final project with just 2 lines what you have made. Here we go with this. IPL prediction system. Welcome to IPL prediction system, AI powered data analyst. Okay, real time prediction and all. This is all of the code what you have wrote it. That's it. Okay, this is all the code what you have written for the 4 days. I have just integrated nothing like okay, it's being there. I've just given the day wise. Okay, that first of all the data cleaning and all right. Key feature of this is data pre-processing, multiple model processing, and simple processing, prediction, or interactive dashboards. Right? I have just written this. Okay, nothing else is there. If you go down, nothing. IPL prediction system. It says and links are being there. This is a home page. This is just like okay, it is giving you home page, data analysis, model training, prediction, and model performance. If you go with like okay, data analysis. If you go with the home page, model training, please load the sample data first from the data analysis page. Prediction and model performance, right? And there's an option of deploy it also, whether you wanted to deploy it now on Streamlit, Snowflakes, or anywhere, right? Return, rerun, settings, and record a screencast also. If you wanted to just go with the recording, I am able to do that. Okay, clear the cache, yes, right? So don't you think like okay, let's import the data of this sample data of IPL match only. Okay, total matches, 6 unique teams, 5 unique teams, okay, venues and data ranges. So this is what it is being looking beautiful, right? The sample data obviously Kolkata Knight Riders, win by run, venue, toss winners and all, right? This is loading a sample data or sample data load. Let's say when you click on to load the sample data, it is giving you this. This is just giving you the match distribution by the venue, right? Download the plot also, you can do it. You can just pan, you zoom it if you wanted to. Zoom out, auto scale, reset the axis, and full screen. Okay, you can just clear that out. The moment you did it, now you will be just clicking on model training. In the model training, you wanted that this is the model training, train the machine learning models, logistic regression, gradient boosting, light GBM, SVM, and XGBoost, right? Okay, training, how much data I need to train it. Let's say 50% of or like 20% of the data I wanted to train it, and 80% is tested. Test is 20%, 80% is trained. Cross validation 5 is more than enough, but 4 I would be rated. Do you want to enable the hyperparameter tuning? Yes. Random state 42 is the way. Start training. The training of the model is going to happen. Model trained successfully. The output you got it. For the logistic regression, for the random forest, F1 score, precision, recall, and accuracy. All of the things you got it, right? After that, prediction. Team 1 and Team 2. Which team I wanted to go with is Chennai Super Kings. Which Team 2 I have is this particular way. Okay, you won't be able to see it. I think whitish color I've applied it. So I need to just highlight it. Okay, Chennai Super Kings, and let it be this is Royal Challengers Bangalore. Venue, Chinmay Swamy Stadium. Toss winner, Mumbai Indians. Match day 23. Toss decision field. Predict the outcome. Backend issue somewhat it's there. Just check what is the backend issue. Okay, might be there is some issue on the back end. I'll just check it. Check, there is backend issue at predictions page and correct the input field color of the text. Okay, so both of the things, okay, I've just given it right now. Okay, I'll straightforwardly just ask like, okay, I'm just getting this issue on a back end of the prediction. Just check like, okay, what is being there and all, right? Okay, how is it? Let me know how you're liking it. Isn't it looking very beautiful? The page we have created. Okay, I've told you like, okay, I'll create this thing, and don't you think it's very good? Come on, come on. Hold a second, let it just get it done. Uh-oh, my bad. Okay, let's just go back. It will say that, okay, all the mappings and everything is all working. Okay, you need to carry forward with what is being exactly running, okay? Not to be required. Let it just perform. So it will say that sample of the data would be there. Keep all. Review the changes. If you want it to, if you don't want it to, that keep it okay that way. Go back. Reload it. Heavy reload it. Control, Shift and R. Data analysis. Load the sample data. Sample data loaded successfully. Then model training. Let it be this only. Start training. Model trained very successfully. Okay, your model has been trained very successfully. Right, the moment it's done, if you will get the response rate also. Okay, start training and all. Right, prediction, Mumbai Indians bat and all, match date selected. Okay, predict the outcome. Prediction, I think some issue is being there with that, and the moment it's being done, okay, you will get all the performances according to this. Okay, it is all the performances are being there. Furtherly, it's your option whether you wanted to deploy it with this particular streamlet or anyone. Okay, not required because don't go with it. And you can print the output also. You can save it as an of the PDF. Okay, save it this way, or you can also record it also. Let's say IPL prediction system. Okay, or record and all settings. Use the system writings and edit the active theme. Okay, whatever the theme you require it. Okay, I need this theme. Okay, clear it and active theme would be applied. Okay, choose a page, navigation, drawers, the prediction, Wankhede, Mumbai Indians. Okay, any of Eden Gardens, toss winner, Chennai Super Kings. Okay, uh, let's say today is the match, field, predict outcomes. Okay, so this is just an issue, I guess, with the backend only. That does not matter. Any questions anywhere? Just let me know. I hope you enjoyed the project. Okay, you have deployed, you have saw the website also. Okay, how does that look like? Did you enjoy it? And you can open it also. Okay, this file you have downloaded, a PDF it is. You can see, you can download it also. How beautiful it is. It has performed it, right? How beautifully it has performed. So a lot of options. A lot of options. I'll do one thing. I'll deploy it. Okay. I'll put it onto the GitHub also. Uh, you can fetch the code from there. But there's some issue with the backend of this. Settings are being there. Run on safe. Made with Streamlit. Okay. Rerun. Predict. Okay. Prediction failed. Uh, there is error. This error, it will auto-fetch it. Okay, you do not need to do that. Do not. Okay, believe me, you do not. Let it perform itself. Got it, got it. Clear? Are we clear, guys? Say yes or no. Are we clear? Say yes or no. Are we clear, guys? Say yes or no. Did you enjoyed your 5 days boot camp? What you like the best? I just need to know about it. It is gonna reload it. If you see that it's getting it reloaded with everything. It's getting all reloaded if you see it. Have a look, please. Go back. Let me just check, and the results are being all there with you. So whatever the point of the issues are being there, it will automatically get it done without you to write it anything. Without you to write it anything. Okay. You don't need to write it any single kind about it. Clear, guys? Any questions to anyone? Let me know. So here is your attendance sheet also. Let me just drop that. Okay, I'm just giving it to you. Yesterday's attendance, so definitely it's not possible. Yeah, I'll drop it, okay, on your chat only. I'll ping it on your chat, don't worry. Yesterday's this thing is not possible. This is all resume oriented, okay? This is all resume oriented. So you can put it anyway, anything on your resumes also. Okay, it will definitely looks beautiful. If you don't get it, okay, right now into this particular way, the team will give it to you. let's finally just check, like, okay, if our prediction phase is all working now or not. Okay, if you see this, home, analyze, load the sample data, the keyword argumented as depreciated and all. Okay, you got the all the sample datas. Okay, it will just tell you loaded sample datas and everything. Model training, let's start training it. Training the model takes some time. Okay, okay, let's see the prediction also. Match date 10, predict outcomes. Just this is not the basically the issue, but it's just an assemble confidence. Okay, it will prediction completed, it will say like, okay, or 11. If you see the predict outcome, it is just like that. Okay, don't worry. Prediction, it is all clear. Is all okay. Screen is all clear. स्क्रीन का इशू नहीं है, स्क्रीन तो क्लियर है. Now just check. How did you single thing? And I've told you how to make this too. Right, okay, I've told you how to make this. Right. This is the sample data which is being there. Okay. And this is what you have just looked for. Right? Clear? Say yes or no, please, everyone. Say yes or no, please, everyone. And this is the final thing you have made it. Okay, final. I just wanted to hear from your end. I just wanted to hear from your end. I hope you liked it. Can I get a sort of I would just small feedback from your end? Okay, that's really good. Really good. Appreciate about that. Okay, then thank you everyone. Take care. It was a very good to be here with you all for these 5 days, and I really appreciated your responses. Okay, do share these I would say codes and everything, what you have made it so far. Okay, on LinkedIn and all. Tag me, tag Smarted. You can follow me up. Okay, you can connect with me. The link is into the description on the LinkedIn. I'm the founders of Smarted. Okay, you can just submit this code, make it a visualization effect, okay, of it. And yes, uh, You can just post this tagging the theme of ours, right? Okay, and all you can do so, right? You don't need to know anything. Okay, nothing you need to learn. Just follow the two commands I've just given you and just make it running. That's it. You don't need to learn any front end, back end, or anything like that. Just learn on what 4 days you did it. That's it. Okay, what you did it on a 4 days. Okay, you just need to do that. That's it. This is okay. I've told you about the thing. Okay, we could apply this thing. Okay, on the web server also, the website kind of it, integrating that. So we did it and it's already done, right? So you can just share the screenshots and all, a small sort of videos while running your codes and share it onto your LinkedIn and tag Smarted, tag like okay me, tag the team and all. Okay, would really happy to see all of your things, right? Okay then, thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Please. The form is already there on the upper side. I've pinged it, so just fill that attendance form, and you can just figure it out, right? Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thanks a lot. Yesterday attendance was not like okay, you cannot fill it. Okay, today is you can able to. Thank you guys. Have a good day.